What is the meaning of partiality? As a noun, partiality means the quality or state of being partial or biased. It is a special taste or liking. Synonyms of partiality: bias, favor, non-objectivity, one-sidedness, party-pris, partisanship, ply, prejudice. Antonyms of partiality: impartiality, neutrality, objectivity, open-mindedness, unbiasedness. Examples of partiality in a sentence: partiality blinded the administrator to the benefits of the proposed system for distributing work. A person with an unfortunate partiality for jumping to conclusions.